Hello. Welcome to LUMA Montessori. I am Isabella, and virtual teacher with LUMA Montessori. Our topic for today is cultivating growth in older children. The biggest question we should ask ourselves is who is responsible for children's growth and development? Is it the parents, or is it the educators? Cultivating growth and knowledge in younger and older children always starts with parents and caregivers. It's not our educators or the education system's sole responsibility. Most parents believe it is the school's responsibility to teach your children the skills needed to become better members of society, but it is not true. It's parents' knowledge, attitude towards education, their own religious beliefs, and their own upbringing which plays a major factor towards their children's education and their child's ability to grow and prosper. We observe this with parents and within our society every day. Let's discuss 6 points that will help parents create a path towards cultivating growth in their children. Number 1. Young children need to be taught that it's okay to be wrong. You know how hard it can be when our children are trying something new but afraid of failing. Teaching your child that it is okay to make mistakes will free your child up to try new challenges. Parents should push their children to make the effort, and your child will learn what works and what doesn't. Number 2. Having variety of approaches and methods to problem solving is very important. Parents or caregivers should try to teach new ideas and approaches to problem solving. A variety of issues and tasks, which might require different strategies and methods to be completed, are very beneficial. If your child is struggling with a problem, ask them if there is another way to solve the problem and let your children find an answer. 3. Parents or caregivers should encourage young children to keep trying to solve a hard problem, even if they can't see the end solution work. Rather than telling your child to give up right away or providing an answer, have your child try to work their way through. Sometimes the next steps become clear after the first steps are taken. Other times your child will realize that they need to approach the problem differently. 4. Parents should teach the mantra, "Mistakes help my brain grow." Dr. Carol Dweck repeatedly encourages teachers to remind students that mistakes help their brain grow. She teaches that when someone easily finds an answer, they have shown the knowledge they already have without learning anything. When someone makes a mistake, they are forced to find out why and then learn something new in the process. Using the saying, "mistakes make my brain grow," not only takes away some of the fear of possibly being wrong, it validates the effort required in making a mistake. 5. Caregivers should pay attention to their approaches to problem-solving problem strategies, which often be used in other situations that may not appear related on the surface. You can ask your child how they decided to solve a problem or praise them for stopping to think about which approach to take to solve a problem. 6. Caregivers should teach children to talk about their mistakes. This isn't about appearing humble, but you want your child to feel comfortable discussing what didn't work, so they learn to discuss approaches to solving problems and completing work. This can help them learn to identify what they have already tried out that hasn't worked, so they can try again and find what does work. This will also help develop good skills for working with other people. These 6 steps should help parents and caregivers build the core foundation needed to cultivate growth in younger and older children. If you have any questions or need help, please don't hesitate to contact us at clientcarelumamontessori.com. We are here to help in your Montessori journey.